Hello friends, I'm Error Slayer and today, I'll show you how to convert a Google Chrome page to PDF quickly. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome page you want to convert to PDF. Then click the three dots in the upper right corner. Click Print. First, as you can see, it recognized it as for Pages. To change this, click on Pages and select Custom. Then, enter which pages you want to convert to PDF. I only wanted to convert the first page, so I entered 1. Finally, click on Destination and select Save as PDF. You can also change details, such as paper size and margins by clicking on More Settings if you wish. Once you've adjusted everything to your liking, click the Save button. Choose where to save the PDF file and click the Save button again. Let's check. As you can see, we successfully converted a Google Chrome web page to a PDF file without using any software. I hope this tutorial video was helpful. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day.